Adobe Lightroom versus Capture One Pro. Choosing the right photo editing software can transform how you enhance your photos without complicated setups. Lightroom offers simplicity and speed, while Capture One Pro focuses on precision and advanced control. Adobe Lightroom and Capture One Pro both serve photographers, but differ fundamentally. Lightroom is designed for fast, user-friendly editing and cataloging, while Capture One Pro targets professionals who need detailed color grading and tethered shooting capabilities for maximum image control. Adobe Lightroom is a comprehensive photo editing and management tool widely used for its intuitive interface and cloud integration. It works by allowing users to import, organize, and edit images non-destructively, maintaining original files while applying adjustments like exposure, color correction, and presets. Lightroom excels in speed and accessibility with features like AI-powered enhancements and seamless syncing across devices. Its strengths lie in its ease of use, extensive tutorial support, and integration with Adobe Creative Cloud, making it ideal for hobbyists and professionals who prioritize efficiency and workflow consistency. However, Lightroom's editing tools, while powerful, offer less granular control over color grading compared to some competitors. It also requires a subscription, which may not suit everyone. Lightroom is best for photographers looking for streamlined editing, quick batch processing, and cloud-based organization without needing highly specialized color workflows. Capture One Pro is a professional-grade photo editor known for its advanced color grading and tethered shooting features. It operates by providing precise control over raw image files, offering powerful tools for color correction, layers, and local adjustments. The software emphasizes image quality with superior noise reduction and detail enhancement, favored by studio photographers and professionals seeking deep customization. Capture One Pro supports tethered capture, allowing photographers to shoot directly into the software for instant review and adjustments, a key advantage in commercial settings. While it offers exceptional control, Capture One Pro has a steeper learning curve and a more complex interface compared to Lightroom. It also comes at a higher price point, either via subscription or perpetual license. Capture One Pro is ideal for photographers who demand meticulous editing precision, especially in color work, and those who work extensively with tethered setups or large raw files. Lightroom and Capture One Pro both excel but serve different needs. Lightroom is perfect for photographers who want fast, efficient editing with strong organizational tools and cloud syncing. It simplifies workflows and is great for travel, event, or casual photography. Capture One Pro shines in studio environments where color accuracy and tethered shooting are crucial. Its detailed controls allow for nuanced edits, but require more time and expertise. Lightroom's user-friendly design contrasts with Capture One's professional depth. A trade-off is between ease and precision. Lightroom prioritizes speed and accessibility. Capture One prioritizes image quality and control. Choosing depends on your workflow. If you need quick edits and cloud access, Lightroom is better. If you require advanced color grading and tethering, Capture One Pro is the professional choice. Choose Adobe Lightroom if you want a versatile, easy-to-use editor with excellent organizational features and cloud integration for fast, flexible photo editing on any device. Capture One Pro is the best option for professionals who need precise color control and tethered shooting capabilities. Its advanced tools deliver superior image quality, making it the top choice for studio and commercial photographers focused on detailed, high